Tagwirei's shadow campaign accelerates, but the presidents remain out of reach. A title that tries valiantly to sound balanced while quietly surrendering to the very delusion it pretends to critique. Sarapena mashoko kubuda chitogwa pana chipomusororwa pamusoro aiwa pe2030 plan irikuda kuti ndizvigananda especially ataka Tagwirei ndiri subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina paendo pangabanyira chiti. Let me cut through the fog with the clarity that exile and distance from the feeding trough so generously afford. Kuda kwashe Tagwirei, yes, the same man whose real name some of us have long ago exposed as Richmond Matambo, a detail that still haunts the corridors where myths of untouchable wealth are spun, has indeed been busy, co-opted into ZANU-PF Central Committee late last year, like a priced tender awarded retroactively, paraded at youth empowerment jamborees, dispensing messages and largesse on behalf of President. Hashtags engineered to trend. Hashtag Tagwirei, hashtag ED2030, even ever opportunistic Temba Muliswa is lent his rival tongue to proclaim him the natural successor. The choreography is impressive if you ignore the puppeteers' trembling hands. But comrades, let us dispense with the polite fiction that this constitutes acceleration towards the presidency. What we are witnessing is not a shadow campaign gaining momentum. It is a desperate, money-fueled marriage amplified by sycophants who mistake proximity to the trough for destiny. Tagwirei's ascent is built on contracts, command agriculture illusions, fuel monopolies, and strategic donations, not on the blood-soaked soil of the liberation struggle, not on cadets' loyalty forged in the bush, not on the respect of the barracks that still hold the real vote in this system. The obstacles are not mere entrenched structural and symbolic hurdles, as the timid editorial delicately phrases it. They are essential tripwires. Ndo mashoko anobuda chitogwa panguva ino achipomusarwa ataka kuda kwachitagwirei. Mina comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu mbotudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like achita on the bell icon.